I can do this whole video with no fuck ups, it'd be extremely easy for you to edit. But that's not gonna happen. Oh, hail a beard, it's your boy Big Beard B, and we back for another edition of Big Beard Business. Today we're back for another video, but follow along because this one may get tricky. So where do I start? As the title implies, today we have a mystery fragrance, mystery unboxing. Well, sorta. Like I said, man, this one might get confusing. So this video has been in the works for a few months now, and I'm bringing it to you at this point. But at the last minute, I decided to give a little swish or shake. I don't know. I decided to mix it up a bit and share this process with all of you B-Gang members. So here we go. See, the fragrances in question here are two newer fragrances from the house of Armaf. And if you are not familiar with Armaf, they are known for making clones of different fragrances. You know, they mix and match them. They put this fragrance with that fragrance. They make Frankenstein fragrances, but nonetheless, they do a good job in most cases. Oh, and by the way, the fragrances we are discussing today are Armaf Odyssey and Odyssey White. So I received these fragrances in from across the border. I got these in from the good old place, country, Canada. All right, of Canada. So I got these fragrances in from across the border. Yes, I got these from Canada. They came over from Canada, man. They made it through customs from a company called Fragrancebuy.ca. Now, you may have heard about this company before if you've been tuned into the channel for a while, because I did a fragrance buying guide video on them, and I also got my A.G.E, the original 2016 bottle of Invictus Aqua from them. And now we're here with this. So let's see what we got here. As the box says, your latest hashtag frag faves have arrived. How's that for excitement? Well, I'm marginally excited because I don't know what they are yet. I kind of know, but I don't know. So let me explain. Like, I was going to just do a full review on this, but I decided when I was opening the package, I was like, let me just do it with you because we're here together. So here we go, man. These are both for men. We have Odyssey Homme and then Odyssey Homme, the white edition. Now, traditionally speaking, based on the package and presentation alone, this one's going to be darker. This one should be lighter. But you never judge a book by its cover or a fragrance by its packaging, because we say, fuck the box. So I know what you're thinking. Big Beard B, so how is this a mystery box / mystery fragrance unboxing? That's what I said, at least to myself, man. So listen, all right, so here's the deal. I knew that this box was coming, all right? But what was in the box, I'm not 100% sure. And from what I was told, at least in the email, that these fragrances here are mystery fragrances. What I'm supposed to do is figure this thing out. It smells like this, and this smells like this. But no one allegedly has been able to figure it out, and I think that I will not be able to do it either. But we shall see. And this is where it gets tricky with Armaf, man, because not only do they make clones, they like mix and match fragrances. They'll put like Sauvage with the Ventus. I mean, they weren't the first people to do that. Maybe they were the first people to do that. I'm not sure. But they'll put like Sauvage with Ultra Zest. Something, man. That's kind of what they do. But here's the presentations on it, man. Box, seen one. You've seen them both. One's white, one's black. So needless to say, because these are mystery fragrances, our job is to figure them out. Well, my job, because I'm the one shooting the video. These look like coffee mugs, man. I see what they did. They put their liquids in the thermal mugs. Okay, cool. What we start with? White's favorite color is black, like her soul. She wears all black most of the time. So here we go. It's got my thumb. It's safe! My finger is safe. All right, so here what we're gonna do, man. Obviously, we're gonna spray this thing. We'll see what it smells like if I can figure it out. Because I have black beads on the right wrist. They're gonna go there. Remember. Those of you who want to know about distribution, there you go. So far, man, what I get from Odyssey Homme Eau de Parfum is more or less a spicy, woody fragrance with a little bit of like smokiness in the backbone with it as well. It's a little weird. Like, look, I gotta be completely honest with y'all. It's a little weird. It doesn't smell bad, but it is a bit weird. I'm gonna set this one down for now. We'll come back to it, see if it changes any bit while we do the white edition, and then go from there. Maybe this one is Silver Mountain Water because it's like the porcelain god. Distribution, white edition. All right. So off the break, I like this one more. This one's definitely better suited for the Florida weather right now. Yeah, you like it? This one to me right now smells like something I just smelled. So this is a little tester that I got from Dillard's, and this one is Invictus Legend. I was going to pick it up. I wasn't 100% sold on it first, so she gave me this little tester. I'll try it out. I feel like this smells like this, and I wore this one the other day. So nonetheless, right now, I think that this one has like this Invictus type of vibe to it. Yeah, it's creamier. It's like thicker, heavier, but it's not like a winter-based fragrance, and it doesn't quite match the darker version. But let me try this out really quick, because I feel like this one smells. This one is Invictus Legend, and this one is Armaf Odyssey Homme White Edition. But I don't think they would have cloned it that quick. Like, this one just came out, at least here in the U.S. I'll put that thing on skin. All right, so scratch that. Invictus Legend does not smell like Odyssey Homme White Edition. That's the beauty of this, man. You got to try them out. But it started off smelling like Invictus to me. I thought it was like Invictus Legend, but this one's definitely like this Invictus type of vibe. Put yourself into more of that, like that Kanye whatever it takes type of feel to it. If you have that fragrance, then think about that. Not quite the same. This one's definitely thicker, projects a lot more. It's not bad at all. But here's the deal with this one as well, man. As this one is drying down, it is also like changing as well. So I'm not sure, man. I don't think that either one of these are based on one fragrance, which is probably why people are figuring them out. So I'm gonna hit their site, man, see if I can figure this thing out and share the results about these two fragrances with you. Now, if you've never done business with Fragrancebuy, as I'm searching through their site, man, solid company. I will link the fragrance buying guide I did for them down below. They ship from Canada. They ship everything out on Monday to get through customs. Very solid company. And they also gave me a coupon code BBB for Big Business, and you get free shipping for any order over $55, man. So that's super solid, and I think that goes through to the end of this month. So that goes through into the end of April, man. All right, get yourself something. Hop on that site. After I figure out what this is, obviously you get on there after me, so I can tell you what this is. All right. Here we go. All right, man, so I found the first one here, Odyssey Homme Eau de Parfum by Armaf on their site. All right, so on their site, and I don't think anyone will be able to figure this thing out off rip, all right? So on the site, according to the Fragrancebuy site, this one is Dior Homme Intense meets Valentino Uomo Intense meets Noir Extreme. So I hit one nail on the head, right? Meets L'Homme Intense with the twist. All right, so those are 4 different fragrances in one to make one fragrance. So they're trying to trick people, man. All right. So according to the Fragrancebuy site, man, this one retails for $76. You get it for them for $29.15 if you're using USD, which is US dollars. And then obviously if you get something else, probably this one here, that may get you to that $55 point. We'll have to look at it and see, right? Because I'm not sure what this one goes for yet. But $55, you get free shipping, man. Doesn't matter what you buy from them, all right? $55, you get free shipping, which is cheaper than most places. So this one is 4 fragrances in one, man. It's like a Frankenstein scent, and it changed a lot. If you like those fragrances, you may like them together. It's a little different, like right when you first spray, boom, give it a second, let it start to transition to the dry down before you actually get your nose on it. All right, what is this one here? Odyssey White Edition. Let's see what we got. All right, man, so I just found this one on the site, and this one is a little bit more expensive. This one is roughly $34 US dollars. It's $33.64. Again, you put those two together. If you're looking to get these two, $55, you're there, and then you get free shipping to the US. All right, so with this one here, this one is listed as Invictus Aqua with a twist. So I was right on this one, man. When I was thinking that this one kind of smelled like Invictus, I just didn't know which one. I thought it was Invictus Legend, but as it transitioned, it started to smell like something else because it's not telling me what the twist piece is, all right? And that means there's another fragrance in there. I think this one is solid though, all right? So this one is my favorite out of the two. I like this one more. than this one here. It just happened to be a tad bit more expensive as well. But I mean, $5 ain't never killed nobody. I mean, it's not even a whole $5. All right. So hit them up, man. Check them out. I'll put the fragrance buying guide down below in case you have any questions. Listen, man, that answers all of your questions on these companies, man. And this one is a solid company to deal with. And I think these will be interesting fragrances to try out if you guys are looking for something different. Definitely stay tuned, man, for full reviews on these. They will be coming. As always, that's what I have for you guys, man. Don't forget, I'm your boy, Big B. If you're looking to buy these from Fragrancebuy.ca, then use the code. I'll have everything linked and listed down below for you, whether you decide to buy these or not. If you're looking for some steals and deals, then check them out and use that code to save yourself some extra moolah. So that's what I have for you guys today. As always, I'm your boy, Big B. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Now we are back again. Hit that goddamn bell. So the fragrances in question here are two fragrances, newer fragrances from the house of Armaf. If you're not familiar, there we go. Oh, and by the way, the fragrances we're discussing are Armaf. So I got these fragrances in from across the border. Yes, I got these from Canada. I got these fragrances in from across the border. Yes, I got these from Canada. They came over from Canada, my man. They made it through customs. Fine, okay. And these, I told you I wasn't going to be able to do it.